notes move or how sounds move on a musical instrument, on harp in particular. So we start with C, D, E, third finger on C, second on D, and first finger on E. Notes move up and down, so it's C, D, E, replace, E, D, C. Again, play along with me, C, D, E. Open your hand and replace, E, D, C. Notes also skip, or we can skip, and this is seen on the notated music on paper. So we're going to skip the D and play only the first and third tone of this C scale, which is C, D, E. We're going to skip the D. So we're playing C, E, C, E, and then E, C, E, C, E, C. So left hand, how notes move up and down. C, D, E, this is one octave or one C below middle C. Ready? C, D, E. Play along with me. C, D, E. Place your hands again and play E, D, C. E, D, C. And then to skip in the left hand, we play C and E with the third finger and the thumb, or some are more comfortable playing the second finger and the thumb, so we'll try that. Second finger and first. C, E, and then E, C. E, C. You can stop the video and practice that. Right hand, second finger on C, if you prefer that. C, E, and E, C. E, C. And now we can play the exercise going up the strings, up the tones. So left hand C, E, right hand C, E. Open your hands and place on the next string, which would be D, F. D, F. Open and place on E, G. Open and place on F, A. G, A, B, C. And then come down beginning with E, C. Left hand and then right hand. E, C. Go to the next string. Then C. B, A. Beginning with the thumb. G, F, E and C. You don't have to actually think of the letter name or say the letter name because you know it's the next string from the one you just played. So that's called a third. This interval from C to E is called a third. It takes in three letter names, C, D, E, but you only play the first and the third. So now if we keep the third finger on C, move the thumb up to F, then you're playing a fourth. Takes in four tones, but you're playing the first and the fourth. So we'll do the same in the left hand, C and F. So we can go up the scale with this. C, D, G. So move both your fingers up in that interval. F, G, and we can stop here when your thumb is on C. That's called a fourth between C and F. Then a fifth is where we will leave the third finger on the C and move the thumb up to the next string. So that takes in five tones, C, D, E, F, G. We're just playing C and G. That's a fifth. C, G. Open your hand and play D, A. Open your hand and play E, B. Then F, C. And so on. G, A, right and left hand. So part two is coming